The reason why we have decided to partner with the Invisalign brand is because it's an improvement on things that we're always working on. For us, this is a very natural fit. The nice thing is how simple it is to use them. It just, for me, I feel like I got them, I put them in, and then in the first 24 hours, I could feel my teeth moving.
I'm trying to find ways, how do I make my life better, my family's life better, my children's life better? Invisalign's saying, hey, how do we make the process a little bit quicker? How do we make it more comfortable, more user-friendly?
Yeah.
That really did help me bring all of them in.
I know she has a lot of schoolwork to do, so I think she's probably just gonna want breakfast and get it going. How are you, babe?
Good, how are you?
Mwah.
Wait, you're up? Who would have ever thought that I'd be emulsifying espresso in the morning?
Oh, that's amazing.
Isn't it good?
Yeah. Cerise, you had tennis earlier. How was it?
Maybe the first few days it was like I could feel it shifting my teeth, but by the third it was comfortable and I didn't feel it anymore.
You know, I think Laird and I are realistic. We can't have something that is hard to use or cumbersome and all of a sudden you can't eat this food and we can't get to our teeth, we can't clean our teeth.
Maybe just do the apple. I've got some acai. All right, we'll get that blender going. Up.
I think it lines up with us collectively as a family and also for each of us as individuals.
There we go. It smells great. Cerise, I can put some granola in this for you. Okay, great.
Invisalign's slogan is made to move, and it just matches how active we are. It was a really easy and natural fit.
Did you get enough to eat?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, let's bounce. Come on.
Hit them hard, hit them straight. And hurry up.